Make prawn curry. Prawn curry is a delicious Indian or Pakistani dish that combines sweetness with spiciness. This delicious seafood dish is easy to prepare using one pan. Here's how to make prawn curry. Ingredients and supplies: 1½ pounds prawns, 2 medium onions, diced 4 medium tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 3 tablespoons oil, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 cups hot water, salt to taste. Skillet with lid, wooden spoon. Prepare the prawns. First, thoroughly clean the prawns. If they have their shells, remove them before rinsing. Then cook with the turmeric and salt, and keep aside while you prepare the rest of the dish. Chop the ingredients. Finely dice 2 onions and 4 tomatoes. Then chop 2 green chilies, taking care not to touch your eyes or anywhere else the chili juice may sting. Begin cooking the ingredients. Heat the oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the cinnamon, cardamom pods, and cloves, frying for about 30 seconds while stirring. Now add the onions and chilies, frying for about 5 minutes. The onions should turn a light golden brown. Stir frequently to keep the onions from burning to the bottom of the pan. Now, add the ginger garlic paste, and stir into the rest of the mixture. Add spices. To the mixture in the pan, add the turmeric and coriander. You can also add a teaspoon of red chili powder, if you wish. Then add the garam masala powder, and fry the mixture over low heat for 5 minutes. Stir frequently. Add tomatoes. Now add the tomatoes, as well as the cumin powder. Add a cup of water, stirring until the water is dissolved. Turn the heat down to very low, place the lid on the pan, and allow the mixture to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. The oil should separate from the mixture and rise to the top. Cook the prawns. Now add the uncooked prawns to the mixture in the pan, mixing well so that the prawns are coated in the sauce. Add salt to taste, as well as about half a cup of hot water. Place the heat back on the pan, and cook on low for about 10 minutes or until the prawns are fully cooked. The prawns will turn pink and opaque when they are done. Enjoy. Serve hot, with coriander leaves on the top as a garnish. Add brown basmati rice as a traditional side dish. Prawn curry is a unique dish that is both healthy and delicious. There are many variations, so you can substitute an ingredient or two if you don't have the right spices on hand. Vary the amount of green chilies to make a spicier or milder dish. Many recipes call for coconut milk to make a creamier version, or other ingredients including ginger or peppercorns.